In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a Canva newsletter with Mailchimp. First, make sure your newsletter design is ready to go in Canva. Open Canva in your browser, then open the newsletter you want to send. Take a moment to review the layout, text, and images, and make any final edits now, because what you send to Mailchimp will be based on this final version. Once you're happy with the design, look at the top right corner of the Canva editor and click the Share button. A panel will open. From there, click on the option that says See All to view all the different places you can share or export your design. In the search bar that appears, type Mailchimp. When you see Mailchimp in the results, click it and then click the Open button. Canva will load a panel on the right-hand side that connects to Mailchimp, so give it a few seconds to appear. When the panel loads, you'll be asked to choose your file type and, if your newsletter has multiple pages, which pages you want to send to Mailchimp. Select the file format that works best for your email campaign and choose the specific pages you need. Next, click the button that says Connect to Mailchimp. The panel will refresh and let you know that Mailchimp wants to connect to your Canva account. Click Connect. A small pop-up window will appear asking you to log into your Mailchimp account. In this pop-up, enter your Mailchimp username in the field provided and click Login. The pop-up will reload and ask for your password. Type in your password carefully. If you normally sign in with Google, you can instead click the Sign in with Google button and choose your Google account or enter your Google login details. After you log in successfully, you'll see a screen that explains what kind of access Canva is requesting for your Mailchimp account. Review this information, and when you're comfortable, click Allow. Once you do that, the pop-up will close, and back in Canva, you'll now see your Mailchimp account connected in the right-hand panel. Click the button that says Share to Mailchimp. You'll see a message saying Publishing Design along with a loader. Wait for this process to finish. It may take a moment depending on your file size. When it's done, you'll see an option to continue in Mailchimp. Click Continue in Mailchimp, and Mailchimp will open in a new tab with your Canva newsletter ready to use in your Mailchimp account. From there, you can set up your email campaign and send your newsletter to your audience. And that's it.